Hi guys, today I'm talking about the Coway Air Purifier and also be showing you how to use it. Guys, it has been designed to accommodate room sizes up to 361 square meters and caters to all sorts of allergens, pollutants, dust particles, smoke as well. It has this bright LED light which shows you how good or bad the air quality inside the room is. So guys, if you're looking at a really high-tech, super fine quality, tested and tried kind of a really safe kind of an air purifier, which is very effective because this one has a 4-stage filtration, which not only filters typical things, allergens, pollutants, dust particles, but also keeps the odor away. So guys, has this shiny white color, and I must add it's really easy to clean. So guys, really easy to use. Once you've placed this, you just need to plug it to a socket. Then I'm gonna hit the power button right here and you can see the green light flashing. So guys, now we can adjust the speed, the intensity. So every time I'm pressing, you can hear the number being displayed and also the sound is higher. This is the eco mode. The noise goes down here. So guys, I've set it on the eco mode and then we can select the timer right here. So let's say you want to set it up for 4 hours. So guys, now the air purifier is on the job. So guys, there's a filter which we can clean, so that you need to switch off. You can just pull this out. So this is the filter which you can change and easy to put it back again. Guys, what I also like about this purifier is that it's pretty fancy looking. So it looks pretty good, once you place it on the bedside, on the floor. This is pretty sleek. And yeah, wouldn't say that it occupies a lot of space as well. And guys, it's really light to pick up, so you can just keep changing the position anywhere in the house. It's really light. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video. Bye bye.